Let's see what. Okay, so tell me if you can see my screen.
No. It's
Not yet. Not yet. Can you can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Okay. All right. So I think we need one. We need um. We said that we need a picture from through your mom's phone. Can you help? Can you ask mommy to help us snap um
Nia.
41 to 50? Abi, I think it's 50. Yeah, 41 to 50.
No, it's 40. Let me check.
44.
40. No, 43. What do you want?
Okay, 43 to 50. All right.
Yes, sir.
Well done, sir. You say I should do what?
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. Eh?
Snap.
Snap. Where's the
Because my pink band. Okay. My pink band.
No. You say you want to wait.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. You bought it.
No,
What did you do to it?
I know nothing. I just want my pink back.
Wait. You bring the textbook.
I don't want it again. 40. 40. Oh, glory be to God. Yeah. 40. Here, one here. 48.
Where's the picture?
Is this one sheet? 40. No, this one. No. We did for. We did.
Where did you stop?
We stopped at 40.
Do you know where you stop?
No, we stopped 44.
Oh, yeah, bring it. You tick it. Use pencil to tick whenever you stop so that the next time you don't strong paper.
So the start from here to here. This one. 45.
Well, come and see.
No, 45. The rectangle time, remember that they are 24. That we divided by 2. No, do this one. 40.
It will go together with the 40.
It's the volume that he's talking. Yeah. I thought us go. Then you might snap here.
What was?
Okay. All right. Were there any questions from the ones that we learned last week in the last class? Okay, mommy has sent it. Okay, nice. Okay.
Thank you.
Did you have any questions from our last class? No questions. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's take on 45.
45, we did volume.
Yes, that one is volume. Okay, so we've done that one. So that's yes, half full, I remember. Okay, so 46. It says a woman bought some oranges and 30% of them were bad. Take note, 30% of them were bad. Anytime you see numbers in a question, always look out for those numbers because those are the numbers you use to solve the question. It now goes on to say if there were 60 bad oranges, how many oranges did she buy? Okay. So how many times did I say you should always read the question to yourselves?
Twice.
Twice. Good. Now you're reading it to take note of what needs to be taken note of. So again, they said a woman bought some oranges and 30% of them were bad. Now let me ask you a question. If 30% were bad, how many percent were good? Yes.
That, um,
Yes. Without
70.
writing anything. We've not written down anything. If 30% of them were bad, how many percent were good? Yes.
42.
Anybody? Favor, faith, favor. Okay, favor. Let's hear you.
I think I'm really sure it is 40.
Now, how did you get 42? If 42 is what's coming to your mind, there has to be a reason. I told you anything you are doing in maths, you must have a reason.
So my reason is that
Okay.
we'll make sure we change 30% to like like 30% of 60 or 30%
Mm-mm.
of
Okay. Okay. So, Faith, what do you want to say? How many percentage were good?
please can you annotate me of 60 you don't say me 30 sorry what happened to the internet 30 it's still that it's 30 oh oh
Go
oh
ahead now. 30 over what?
I mean 30 over 6 is the 600
Over 60?
no it's over 600
Why is it 30 over 60?
no over
Hmm.
600 you know it's something like
I told you girls, whenever you see percent, what does percent mean?
over 100
Thank you. So why are you now putting over 60?
equals
So
to
30% of what?
of 60
Now
over
you're thinking it's of 60, but it's not of 60. Please read the question again. The question said 30% of them. They didn't tell us how many she bought. So it's not 60 that she bought. Did you get that?
yes sir so to be
Good.
x
So
x over 1
thank you very much. 30% of x over 1 equals 60. Did that make
so
sense?
can I take j over 1
J, well, if your J looks like a J, yeah, you can write J over 1. All right. So basically, what we're saying is that 30% of J equals 60, isn't it?
yes sir
So now our job is to find J. So wait, so can you undo your annotation? Let me write it so that we'll be able to, the thing will look clearer.
no you use eraser oh okay
You can just say clear all. There's no delete all annotations. Yes. Okay. Okay. There's still something left there.
I'm trying to clear my drawing
Okay. All right. So this is what we agreed. 30% of, and you know, of is what? Times, isn't it?
yes sir
Of, okay, so you said let's use T. T over 1. 30% of T over 1 equals 60. Okay. And remember, how did we arrive at this? We said the question told us that 30% are bad. 30% of them are bad. And so 30% of T equals 60 because they said 60 were bad, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why are you still putting back the annotation?
No, I'm not putting it back. I'm trying to remove the theory that was there.
So
That is
just remove it, or don't worry, let me help you to remove it. Don't allow anything to distract you. Okay, so we're left, this is what we have. So let's cancel what we need to cancel. Please take note of what I'm canceling. One of the zeros in 100 will go with one of the zeros in 30. So we're left with
and one
3.
of the zeros to 60.
No. When you have a number across equal sign, the zeros there cannot be involved. Did you get what I just said? There's an
Ah,
equal sign between 60, isn't it?
yes,
Thank you very much. So don't forget that. So let's deal with the left-hand side. What I'm left with is 3t. Just look at it. You see it's simple. 3t over 10 equals what? 60.
60.
So remember, our job is to find t, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what do you think we should do
We
to both
should
sides?
over 1, sir. You're 60 over 1.
Okay, you want us to do 60 over 1. Okay, that's
Yes.
one way of doing it. So what next?
So we will do 10 in 10 is 1. 10 is 66.
I just said now that you cannot cancel zero over across an equality sign. Did I not just say that?
Yes, sir.
I said that. So
Oh,
why are you still saying 10 in 10 is 1? 10 in 60 is 60 is 6.
okay.
Hmm?
3 in 3 is 1. 3 in You say you cannot cross.
It cannot cancel. Don't even try doing it. See,
Ah,
the only possibilities you can do right now are to either say divide both sides by 3 over 10 or cross multiply. Okay, that's why I thought that's what I thought you were going to say when you said 60 over 1. So if you cross multiply, see what will happen. The 3t will go and multiply 1. Okay, then the 60
ooh,
will go and
sir,
multiply
sir.
what? 10.
This
So that will now leave me with what?
3
3t
3
equals what?
equals to 600.
Thank you. Equals 600. So now what am I going to have? What am I going to do to both sides?
Divide by both sides by 3.
Divide both sides by 3. So when I do that, you now have your value for t. So t will be what?
Means 1. So 3 over 60 should be 200. Which one?
Yes, you're right. It's 200.
Thank you.
So that means the woman bought 200 oranges. And if you actually check it, okay, well, we're not, like I told you, it's not every question you must check. But I said if you actually check it, you will see that 60% of 200 is equal, sorry, 30% of 200 is equal to 60. Okay.
30%. Wait, sir.
Yes.
But do you know how
So
to
you can,
get it back? We use 200 times 3. That to get our answer. That to
I
get
didn't
our.
get that.
I said that
Yes, 200,
times
200 times 30 over
3.
100.
Yes. Then it to be 600.
Okay, so go ahead and write in your book quickly so that we can go on to the next one.
Plus 600 over 3. Sir, Favour is done. 47. Did you write this
Okay,
side?
let's wait for Faith.
Okay, sir. Did I write this side? This side, this side. Did you cross multiply? I know now. I said, did you write it with my name NSPPD pan? NSPPD. NSPPD. You're supposed to be writing, not play. NSPPD. NSPPD band. Hey, that. Do you know that sleeping is sleeping up?
Okay, can I move on now?
No. Faith is still writing. And she's talking when she's writing. Young guy don't lie. Young guy don't lie. Let's see. And NSPPD.
So I think the answer to that one is E, right?
So E? Yeah.
Letter option E.
Yep. Yep, I checked it.
Okay. Faith, can we move on?
Yes, sir. Are you done?
Excellent.
Have you finished this one?
Okay. Mr. Ekong left his
Eh?
house at 6:40 a.m. Okay, now this question looks like an interesting question. Mr. Ekong left his house at 6:40 a.m. Take note of that. 6:40 a.m. That means 40 minutes past 6 in the morning. And returned at 23 minutes past 4 in the evening. The same day. Take note of that phrase. The same day. For how long was he away from his house? Now, yes, how are you going to solve this question? Don't give me the answer. Tell me how you will solve it.
6:40 a.m. minus 4:23
I don't agree with you.
p.m.
Do you know why I don't agree with you? If you do that, you run into you have a problem on your hand. You understand? You will, I promise you will have a problem on your hand. So let me show you how to solve it. Don't worry, it's not a hard question.
Wait, so is it not 2 hours? It's not 2 hours 17 minutes that he left. 2 hours 17 minutes that he used when he left. Time. Yes.
2 hours 17 minutes. Okay, let me show you how it should be solved. And we'll see whether it's 2 hours 17 minutes. Are you ready?
So 10 hours 17 minutes.
I told you, let's solve it. Don't just be jumping at numbers. Let's solve it so that you have reason. You have a reason why you are doing what you are doing. So from this, how I'm going to solve it. 6:40 a.m. is when he left the house. 6:40 a.m. right?
Yep.
Okay, now look at what I'm going to do. Very easy. And this thing that I'm doing now, you can even do it on your finger. You can do it on your finger while you are, yes. You don't have to write it down. But just listen. Just listen. You will see what I'm saying. From 6:40 to 7:40 is how many hours?
Huh? 6:40?
From 6:40 to 7:40 is how many hours?
1 hour.
Thank you. So that's exactly how we're going to do it. We're going to do it like that till we get to.
That's how I did. So that's how I did. That's how we got 10 hours.
That's how you got it. Okay. So can you just give me a minute? Let me see if what you got is correct or not. So, like I said, let me do it like this. So the next one is 8:40, right?
Yes, sir. Go down.
The next one will be what? 9:40.
9:40.
Please take note, we're still in AM. Did you notice that? We're still in AM. So let me be writing it down.
12. We can see
Thank you very much. 10:40 a.m. again, 11:40 a.m. Then now check it. 12:40 what?
PM.
p.m. Is it? Because it's now
Yeah.
afternoon. 1:40.
13 PM. 13:40
Okay,
AM.
you
Like
can do
1.
13, but let's just do 1:40. We know it's 1:40. 2
2:40.
p.m., right?
No, wait, sir. So you have
Yes.
passed the amount number. It's supposed to
Have
be
I?
2. Yes. 13 is 1, 14 is 2. Have
No,
you
we have not
not?
passed it now.
Oh, I thought it was 2. Madam is 4
3:40 p.m. Sorry, I pressed 0
3:40
twice.
PM.
Okay, now be careful now. We're about to get to the end of the count. The next one is 4:23, isn't it?
4:23 PM.
Now watch it oh. From 3:40 to 4 p.m. is how many minutes? Who can tell me?
Hmm?
Yes. From
3:40.
3,
20 minutes.
thank you very much.
Two.
Okay. So from
Okay.
40 to 4 p.m. is 20 minutes. Then from 4 p.m. to 4:23 p.m. is how many minutes?
23 minutes.
Thank you so much. Correct. 23 minutes. So now let us write down all the things that we have. Then we will now count it. So here,
1.
like this, watch. Like this is 23 minutes, right? Let's write it down beside it.
So they are
Then
they they are whole one. They are whole.
those other ones are whole. That's why I've not gone to them yet. From 3:40 to 4 p.m. We said it's 20 minutes because that would have made it 60.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now let's count all these other ones. This to this 1 hour, right?
Yes, sir.
2,
1, 2, 3,
3,
3, 4,
4,
again, 5,
5,
ah,
6,
8,
7,
7, 8,
8,
again, ah,
9. Can you see why I said that you people
sir.
should not just be throwing figures around? It's exactly watch it.
Wait, oh. So I do
Yes,
not play with football. I do not play with football. Sir, wait, oh. Play till I said that's just 40 and this 4:23 p.m. Sir, is it not
yes.
whole? We should not count it again with the numbers. We should count
I
it
can't
now.
count it now. Is it 20 plus 23? Is it up to 1 hour?
Anyway, no.
So why do you want to count it with the whole?
I need
So
this.
what we have here is how many hours altogether?
9 hours 43 minutes.
Yes, 9 hours 43 minutes. So that's the okay.
Yes, sir. So easy to write.
Yes. So please write it like this so that you will not forget how we counted it.
40 a.m. 7:49 40 a.m. Same. That is it. 40 a.m. 40 a.m. 11:40. Hey, wait. Wait. 11:40 p.m. 13 and 1:40 p.m. 2:40 p.m. 3 4:40 p.m. 4:00 p.m. 4:40 23 p.m. 9 hours 23 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Surface is done.
Excellent.
Gang, 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 gang. Oh, gang, gang. So when people were writing 12 downwards to 4 p.m. So now writing 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m.,
Okay.
3 a.m.,
Okay.
4 a.m. I know. Lost count.
I understand. And that was the reason why you went and got 10 hours, isn't it?
Yeah.
When you are counting. So you can see that it's not up to 10 hours. And the funny thing is that those kind of questions, when they give you those questions, they will give you the wrong one. You understand? They will show you the wrong one. They will put the
Gang,
wrong
gang.
options there, hoping that
Wrong
you will go and
option.
choose the wrong option.
Gang. Hey. Hey. Oh my God.
Okay, so can we move on now?
So I do the
Hello,
4 for
girls. Can we move on?
2 decimal. Oh, yes, sir. This
Okay,
one
this one is
is
simple now. Oh yeah, who can answer it for me? Who
I
can answer
want
it for me?
to.
Yes. Okay, I'm listening. 9.086 correct to 2 decimal places. 9.086.
2 decimal. 2,
9 points. Let me see if people still remember that. It was what that thing that we did during significant
So
figures.
the answer is E. Without calculation is E. E is 9.8.
Eh,
Yes.
without
Hey.
calculation.
Wait.
Uh, how? How will you do it without calculation? How do you now want to prove to me that you did what
I
you did
know I
correctly?
calculated it in my head. Confused. I've
Really?
already confused myself. Oh. You're still
Mm.
dividing decimal by 2. Hey, wait. May the Lord watch over you in the name of Jesus. Amen. You're supposed to say
I'm
amen.
about to pray that same prayer for two of you. You could better give me the correct answer to this thing.
He said
9.086 to 2 decimal places.
9.0.
Yes,
9.086. That would be
yes,
9,
yes.
90, 900
Where did you get
and
90? 900 and what?
no, 908.6.
You are not serious.
Yeah.
9.086. You now turned it to 908. Ah, my goodness.
Okay.
Okay, just listen, just
Wait.
listen,
I'm confused.
just
I'm
listen.
confused. Wait.
Don't worry. You will not be confused now. Just watch what
The
I'm going to do.
name. Jesus.
Now, let me ask you, answer my question. Oh. How many decimal places are here to start with? How many are here?
Hey.
Thank you very much. 3. I hope you know that the 9 does not count. 3 decimal places is starting. Yes, the 9 is not a decimal place. It's on the left hand side of the decimal place. So we have 1, watch you, 2, so that you will not be wondering how did I get 3 decimal places? 3. Now, the question
Hey.
now said to 2 decimal places. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to count again. 1 and
Yeah.
2. That means that I have to draw an imaginary line. Watch you. I'm going to use a different color. Just give me a minute. I'm going to use a different color. I hope you can see this color well. Can
My
you see that
favorite.
yellow?
Oh.
Can you see that yellow that I'm doing there?
Yeah.
In my mind's eye, I've already drawn that line there. Can you see what I
Yes,
did?
sir. It's favorite color.
Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ask myself,
Hey.
this number that comes after
Believe me.
the line I've drawn, are you with me? the 6 that comes after the line I've drawn, I'll ask myself that popular question: is it equals to 5 or greater than 5? Now, I want you to help me answer that question.
Greater.
It's greater. So that means I'm going to do what? I'm going to take it as 1 and add to the number here, which is what? Which is 8. Okay? And when you add +1 to 8, what will plus 8 become?
9.0.
Thank you very much. So the answer is what? 9.0.
9.9.
Where did you get 9.5 from? 9.09. Okay, did you get it now?
So when we're here in the 6, I did not ask myself question, that popular question that is 6 greater than 5. I did
You
not
have to
ask,
ask yourself. You have
and
to
I
ask
left
yourself.
like that.
But the question is, you people have to know how to count your decimal places, okay? Is how many numbers that come after the decimal point on the right-hand side of the decimal point. So please write it down like this so that you will not forget
Yes, I'll
what
write
I
it
did.
all, everything.
You can even draw that yellow line like a dotted
I'll
line,
do it
okay?
though. I'll do it
Look
though.
like that.
Only for me to learn it. I'm drawing everything though. Bang, 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 bing, bang, bing, bang, bing, bang. 9.09. So Favour is done. I'm in 49. Who told you I was
Okay,
writing 49 when you say Favour was done? So 49
okay.
on the map.
Nice. Let's go to 49 then.
The book here. Read it. I'm saying you should not read, but to see. No. When before you allow me to see.
Okay. All
Want
right.
to read
Number 49 says on the map.
a line
You,
of
I'm sure I'm sure you people have done maps in is it do you people do geography in school? No, okay. But you people do social studies, right?
yeah.
Okay. So social studies is the closest to geography. Okay. So we study maps in geography, and it says on the map a line of length 5 cm. That what they meant to say there is represents. Please take notes. It's not represent. Represents
Represent
40 kilometers. I want you to imagine in your mind 5
40
centimeters on
kilometers.
paper represents 40 kilometers in real life. Did you get that? Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Let me say it again. 5 cm on paper represents 40 kilometers in real life. Okay? How many kilometers would a line of length 7.5 cm represent? Now, let me show you. Or can
I.
somebody? Yes, how are you going to do this question?
So we're going to do like our usual. We'll do 40 over 5. See 5. Then we'll
Good. I want
divide.
you to give me a reason. Why did you do 40 over 5? Tell me why.
Not 40
You've not
over
answered my
5.
question. No.
5 over 40. 4 over 5.
Why did
40
you
over.
do 40 over 5? I didn't say you're wrong.
Because I
See,
wanted
just
to listen.
uh-huh.
Because I wanted
Go ahead because you wanted to do what?
get my answer.
Which answer now? You've not told me what you would. Just okay. Okay, let me help you. The reason why you did 40 over 5 is because you wanted to find out how many kilometers 1 cm will represent. That's the reason why.
Answer.
Is that not why you did that?
Yes, sir.
So now, if you do 40 over 5, who can tell me what will 1 cm represent after you have done your 40 over
8
5?
kilometer.
Thank you
Hey,
very
1
much.
over
8
8.
kilometers. It makes sense. It makes sense. It's 8.
You can,
It's not 1 over 8. It's 8.
it's 8, not 1 over 8.
Now, we know what 1 centimeter represents. Who can tell me how we'll find out what 7.5 will represent? Therefore,
Find how many When how many percent then how many what is? How many kilometers?
7.5 centimeters. 7.5
Wait.
centimeters. Yes.
7.5.
So who can tell me what I will do? Who
Seven
can
and a
tell me
half
what I will do?
centimeter over what?
Over kini? It's not over anything, no.
You.
Hold on, let me ask you a question. Hold on, let me ask you a question. I know if I say okay, you there I have two you people are three in number, right? And I give equal, I give your sister 5 oranges. I give Favour 5 oranges. I give Faith 5 oranges. How many oranges would I have given altogether?
10.
No. See, you're
15.
not following me. 15. Thank you.
15.
How did you get 15? How did you get 15? You multiply 5 by 3, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Good.
The
Now,
amount.
remember, the amount for 1, you multiply it by 3. Now, 1 cm represents 8 kilometers. Therefore, 7.5 cm will be what? Will it not be 7.5 by times 8? Will it not be 7.5 times 8?
Yes, sir. It is
Do you
saying the
understand?
starting rate. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let's multiply it. How do we multiply 7.5 by 8? Who can tell me how we'll do that?
And then I'm not there. Oh.
Why are you running away from it? It's very, very simple. What should we do? Just simply turn 7.5 to improper fraction.
Hey.
Did you get that?
Yo.
Mathematicians don't run away from work. They face it head on. It's just like David facing Goliath. You don't run away from Goliath. You face Goliath. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Good. Oh yeah, don't disappoint me. Can somebody convert that into improper fraction and multiply it quickly?
15 over 2. Oh, 15 over 2.
Eh?
Now you hope mouth. No, I
15 over
can't.
2 times what?
8 times 8.
Yes. 15 over 2 times 8 over 1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, what will cancel and what will be
8,
left?
2 can cancel 8. So
Yes.
1
And
can
2 is going
cancel
to 8 how
5.
many times?
Sir?
How many times?
4.
4. Good. And then we're left with 4 times 15. And 4 times 15 is what?
60.
Thank you very much. So that's 60 what? 60 what?
Oh, 60
60 what?
kilometers.
Thank
60
you. 60
kilometers.
kilometers. Correct. So that's the answer. Correct. Okay. So you can write it down in your book.
I should write it like this. Oh. Is it a old card they're talking about? Is it focus they're talking about? Focus that been 1990 something, 2026. Wait. Who is focus? I'm confused. Sir,
Are you
Faith
done
is dead.
writing?
No, Faith is not done. She wrote nonsense. She
Faith,
not
please
write
don't
this
write
something
nonsense
for.
because if
She
you
not
write
write this
nonsense,
for something. She now said she's done. Which done is she? I wrote for something. It's not for something. 7 whole number 1 over 2. You know write that some part. She not write that part. She has left it and got to division to get
please
60
write exactly
kilometers.
what you see. Oh.
So Faith is done ready.
Okay. Let's wait for Favour.
The slowest folk in Nigeria. Hey.
So and the answer is D. Have you written that the answer is D, Faith?
Yes, sir. Faith has not even written it. The whole slowest folk. See my D. Come and see my just now. Oh, see my D.
Okay. Girls, we don't have time. Oh. Number 50. What
So are
percentage
we going
of
to
4
stop? So are we going to stop at 50?
Yes, we have to stop at 50. My battery is
Yeah.
almost out.
Well, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. When I say
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
I say yeah.
Finish it up.
Because
What percentage of 4 meters is 20 meters? Did you hear my question? What percentage of 4 meters? Now, who can remember what I said about off?
1/5.
No, that's not the answer.
No,
What did I
5.
say about off? Anytime something comes after off.
5. 5.
No.
Don't text.
What happens whenever something comes after off in this kind of question? What, remember that question that we say, what fraction of this is this? What fraction of that is that? What's happened? What should we do for the thing that comes after off? Yeah, for you people have forgotten, and it's so sad. That is what should be your denominator.
I think
That,
no,
that's what should be in your denominator. Is that not what I said?
Oh, hold on, I see. But yeah, you did not write it as notes for us.
I did not write it.
As notes. It's true now. Why you not hiding? Anti-hider. Call yourself Snowfall. Eh?
I didn't write it, but I told you now. Didn't you write it in
You
your book?
told us. But we have
I
some things
did.
in our head.
I
Like
did. I wrote it down. I wrote it down. The first time I said it, I wrote it down. Check your book.
We did not
I
write it
did.
down. We did not write it
What
down.
percentage?
Okay,
What
we did
percentage
not write it down.
of 4 meters is 20 meters? So because that 4 comes after um off, the 4 will be in the denominator. Okay. So this question, I think this question actually has a problem. I'll explain to you what the problem is. What they meant to say is what percentage of 20 meters? Are you listening?
Yes,
What percentage of 20 meters is 4 meters? It's the other way around. Okay. So let's solve the question the right way. It should be what percentage of 20 meters is 4 meters. Okay. So that means the 20 should be underneath. Yes.
We want to check our book. So to be 1/5. I calculate.
Yes. Now, because the question said percentage, you are going to multiply it by what? 100.
100/1.
Yes. So let's cancel out. What's going to happen here? Let's cancel out.
0.
Thank you. And 2 will go in itself 1, and 2 will go into 10. How many times?
5. Oh.
And 5 times 4 is what? 20. 20 what? What's the unit? Who can tell me?
20 meter.
No.
20 meters squared.
20%. 20%.
I mean percentage.
Percent now. Please write it down. And please write down that the question we had to correct the question, because if you don't indicate that, you will think that
See I draw fucking. We have been talking about what I don't know. Sivam. All these people that are on the street like this. I don't know. Hey, I'm doing nonsense. No nonsense. No. I'm doing my hair. My hair. Let's move our hands like this. Are you ready? Getting ready for the take it out. Cause I don't even. You said that to on record. No, stop here. Why can he record when he's not here? It can still be. Yeah. Let's pause it. Hey. No, are you here? Get out. Who's get out? Recording.